Excel, what's the life? Marvo is alive. A big shout out to Marvo for the package, menu, a battle review, the tri-mode gaming headset from Marvo, of course. Handle with care. Let's check it out. Ooh. Marvo. I mean, bravo. Are they the best in the game? Let's find out. Because they're born for the game. Do you get it? Okay. Let's see what's inside. Super clean. The comfortness on point. These babies right here, they are wired, but they also come with a Bluetooth connectivity and also 2.4 G. What more do you want, my G? And I see they also have a Type-C USB charging port. Of course, what else? And an adjuster where you can, of course, adjust the volume of the headsets, of course. Even the mic and the LED, meaning they light up. Let's test them out. Let's put them in. Ooh. They light up, broski. Ah, LED lights. The confidence. Oh man. I feel like I'm within the game. More like a commentator, but I'm within the game. Let's check out the sound, bro. By the way, this has 53mm speaker size for that enhanced audio sound. Hey, making sure you're getting the 7.1 surround sound, baba. Right here at the comfort of your own personal space. Even the cable, baba. It's long, 0.5 meters. They are compatible with iOS, Windows, and of course, your Android. Now let's test out the surround sound of these babies with my favorite song.
I'm too much.
They too much. Love this, man.